Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm showing you the other side pocket, second part. In last video I showed you one-sided pocket. First pocket was at 10.5 inches. Second pocket will start from here. Okay, so let's start. This is my center to start a pocket. This is my back side and I will start from this point. Make a chain, or you can start with a slip knot also. Okay. You have to count your first pocket's double crochet from here to here. Okay, this is my 36 double crochet. So I will make 36 chains. I have made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make this chain with normal hand. This should not be too loose or too tight. Okay. I have completed my 36 chains for my pocket, and this is the one point and second point to join this one. Now I'll take its front side. Okay. And please check your chain. It should be front or straight from front side like this. This should not be moved from anywhere. And I will join this chain in the center of like this. Okay, now chain 1 in front this chain and make a double crochet from the back side in the same chain, in which chain I joined this chain. In the same chain I made one double crochet. It should be little tight like this. And now we will take it in front and make double crochet basic line in every chain. Now I'm making the double crochet in every chain. This double crochet should be 36 on my first pocket. I have made my double crochet line in every chain like this. And now this is my last. I started my chain. Now I will make double crochet from this chain also. I will take this chain and you saw I have made this double crochet in both chains, this chain and this chain. Turn over and start to make double crochet in every chain. From 2 till there. Just like my first pocket, I have made like this. please count these rows. In my first pocket 16 lines of double crochet, then I have to make 16 double crochet line here also for my second pocket, so that the size should be same of both pockets. So you have to count these lines or double crochet also. I have completed my 16 rows of pocket. Now I will cut the wool. I cut my wool and okay. Now I will continue my pattern of shawl. I am making wave stitch in this shawl. You can make any pattern which you like most, and you will do according to your pattern. Okay. Now, according to my pattern, I have to make 5 double crochet in this chain, and I'll make 5 double crochet in the same chain 4. Okay. 5th, I will make from the chain. If according to your pattern you have to make 1 double crochet, then you should make from this chain, first chain. Now I'll make all pattern on this chain. I'm leaving this pocket down or in back. Now I will continue my pattern on this chain. 5 double crochet हो गए, 2 double crochet, for this wave stitch you can watch my last videos. I have posted my wave stitch also. Now this chain has become some loose, so I am pulling this thread, this first chain, and I will make 5 double crochet in the same chain like this. 1 in both chain, 2, 3, and other 2 from the back side in single chain, but the same chain, 2 double crochet. I have made 5 double crochet in the same first chain and will continue my pattern as well. This will be make our second pocket like this, so it will be also visible like our first pocket, and it will be covered with my pattern when like this. Okay, in first, let me show you. In first pocket I started from the back side and from the below, and in second pocket I am making from this side. Now I'm completing my shawl over the pocket, and when I will make the chocolate little here and will join with this pocket. Okay, I have completed this part, which is the top of pocket. Now it's time to join the pocket from this side with this pattern. Okay. Please be careful while joining. It should be on the same point. Now okay, there should be 36 of mine. Like this, I'm joining the pocket. Hold like this and make single crochet. Make single crochet from there to the last point of our pocket, like this. And my counting came out correctly. This is last single crochet. Now I will continue with my pattern. Now I have joined my pocket. I'm showing you. Like this. And second corner like this. And now I will continue with my pattern which I'm doing, and in last, don't forget to seam the sides of pockets. So this is my hidden pocket is ready. You can also make round border here if you like. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching.